Do you have technician on site?
Yeah, we do have.
They can fix my phone?
Yes, definitely.
How many technician you have?
How many devices you have?
I have these my all company devices. They're all broken. They all need a screen.
Yeah, so we have this much technicians.
This much technicians you
Yeah,
have?
definitely.
Oh, that's great.
And these
And
all
how-
these devices will be done in 30 minutes.
30 minutes.
Yeah.